Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcane, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss the special features of Python. Actually we already discussed the array. Okay, now today we discuss the another part of that array which is known as NumPy. Actually what is NumPy? NumPy actually a package in Python and it is used to define multi-dimensional array. Okay, so go to the computer screen. I will discuss NumPy in Python. Okay, so what is NumPy? NumPy is a Python library for the Python language used for working with arrays. Okay, NumPy was created in 2005 by Travis Oliphant. Okay, NumPy is a Python package. Okay, it stands for numerical Python. It is a library consists of multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, so if you have Python and pip already installed on your Windows system, then installation of NumPy is very easy from the internet. Okay, just type in the command prompt pip, then give a space, then write install, then give a space and just write NumPy and press enter. Okay, or you can also write pip3 space install space NumPy and press enter. Okay, now we go for an example. Suppose we take here from NumPy and then write import asterisk. Okay, then suppose define a equal NumPy module also have the function array. Okay, so within square bracket suppose provide 12, 23, 45, 56, 77. Close this square bracket and close this parenthesis and then just type print a, and also we want to retrieve each and every element of that array. So just write for e in a, put a colon and then just type print and just write here e comma and then write end equal, then provide a space within a double quote and close this parenthesis. Now save that Python script, just go to E drive and choose Python example, put a name example33.py and press enter and write here Python example33.py and press enter. So what happened? We get at first whatever the elements are present within that array from 12 to 77, and after that each and every element is retrieved by this e variable. Okay, and it just print 12, 23, 45, 56, 77. Okay, now go for another example. So suppose we write here print and then suppose write a dot size. Okay, so size is actually a variable, and after suppose write print and suppose write a dot d type. Okay, then again write print a dot n dim. Okay, and after suppose we write print write type a. Okay, and then we just save that file and just execute Python example33.py and press enter. So what we get at first, a dot size, actually it provides size of the array. So how many elements are there? 5. So that's why it's provide 5. After that, a dot d type, so it's provide elements type of the array. So elements type is an integer and 32 means is a 32-bit integer. Okay, and then here provide a dot ndim, it's provide number of dimension. So this dimension is 1, means single dimension array, so that is provide 1. And after that write type a, so it provide the type of array. So type of array is actually NumPy. Okay, and now we take example for another function is a len space. Okay, suppose write from NumPy and then suppose write import asterisk. Okay, and then just write a equal linspace, this is the function name, and then provide suppose 0 comma 16, and then suppose provide 20, okay, and then close it. Actually this function here, this 0 actually the start position and 16 is the stop position, and both should be included. And the 20 actually it breaks into 20 parts of the range from 0 to 16. Actually that means we get a sequence of 20 values in range from 0 to 16. Okay, now if we print this A and we save that file, suppose provide example34.py and press enter, just execute this Python script example34.py and press enter. So we get a sequence of 20 values here starting from 0 and go up to 16. Okay, suppose here we don't provide this 20. Okay, now what happened, just save that and execute this Python script again. So just write Python example34.py and press enter. So actually here we get 50 parts, means by default if we don't provide anything here, then by default break into 50 parts, means start from 0 and go up to 16, and in between total 50 parts are there. Okay, now another function is there, this is zeros. Okay, so just go for an example, suppose write from numpy import asterisk, and then just write a equal, suppose write zeros and provide within parentheses 5. Okay, now if we print this A, so what we get, just save that file example35.py and press enter, just execute this Python script Python example35.py and press enter. So we get 5 zeros here. Okay, zeros function actually provide zeros. So how many zeros are there? We are provide 5, that's why it's provide 5 zeros. Okay, and they are given a point. Okay, suppose if you provide after comma int and save that file and again execute Python example35.py and press enter, so we get integer zeros. Okay, so if you don't provide any data type, so then it by default floating point, and when we provide int, that means it's a integer. Okay, and also the another function is there, this is ones. Suppose here we write ones and same thing, 5 is given and integer is provided. If we execute this Python script example35.py and press enter, so we get 5 ones and all are integer. And same way, if we don't provide here any data type, so by default it should be floating point. So then if we again execute Python example35.py and press enter, so it's provided floating point, means 1 point something is 1.1.1 is given. Okay, now take another example. So suppose write from numpy import asterisk. Okay, and just write a equal array, means we use the array function again. So suppose provide 1 comma 4 comma 50 comma 20, and suppose provide 50, some elements just provide here. Okay, and after that suppose write a equal a plus 10, means we want to add each and every element with a value 10. Okay, so after if we print a and then we set the file and then just execute this Python script example36.py and press enter, so what happened, we get 11, 14, 60, 30, 60. Why? Because whatever the elements are provided, if we add each and every element with 10, we got this result, 1 plus 10 11, 4 plus 10 14, in that way up to 60. Okay, now suppose we want add to array. Okay, so means add to array means we add two array elements, means actually this is the position of 0, this is the position of 1, this is the position of 2, in that way it's going on. And similar way, suppose we define another array B array and provide suppose the value 2, 5, 7, 23, 70. Okay, and after close this parenthesis, means this is the A0 this is the B0, this is the A1, this is the B1, in that way going on, and we want to add this A0 plus B0. We want to add A1 to B1 and store in a separate array. Okay, in that case we just write C equal A plus B simply and just print C. Okay, and now if we save that file and just execute this Python script example36.py and press enter, so what happened? We get the addition value of the resultant array. So now C0 position will be 1 plus 2, that's why 3. C1 position will be 4 plus 5, that's why 9, in that way. And also if we want to print each and every element, suppose write for E in C and just write print E, so we get each and every element of that array. Just execute this Python example36.py. so what happened? The same way we retrieve this element of that resultant array 3, 9, 57, 43 and 120. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's topic, and this continuation part of NumPy will come in my upcoming videos. Okay, for more videos keep watching my channel Technical Arquine. Thank you and bye bye.